Welcome, Chippers, to another edition of Chippers TV. This episode is brought to you by the Pathway School SWPBIS. And now a word from our sponsor. Hi, this is Mr. Burtis for PBIS, and I'm here to talk about, do you have the right stuff? If you have the right stuff, we follow the path. What is the path? P is for participate, A for accept, T for thrive, H for help out. And with that, back to Chipper TV. Alright, let's get started on this week's project. What we're going to do now that you've watched the video on how cardboard is made is we're going to take a piece of paper, and I'm using lined notebook paper to make it easier to make our piece of cardboard. What we're going to need is you're going to need your pencil, your scissors, your ruler, and your glue stick. What we got to do first is we're going to look on our ruler. The ruler has centimeters and inches. We are going to look for the inches. And once we have the inches, we're going to measure from the edge of the paper 2 inches. And here's your 2 inches right there. So we're going to make a mark there, and we're going to make a mark there. Now we're going to take the ruler and we're going to line it up on our marks. And we're going to draw a line. And now we're going to do the same thing again from that line. So we're going to go 2 inches and 2 inches. Draw our line. And then we're going to do it one more time. I'm going to go 2 inches and 2 inches. And we're going to draw our straight line from dot to dot to make sure our line is straight. So we've got that done. Now we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut each one of these strips out. So we get those cut out. Now what you want to do is you're going to set one piece aside. We're going to take these 2 pieces, and now we're going to fold these in half. So what we're going to do is we're going to make the top layer and the bottom layer, but we're going to strengthen it by folding them in half. Once I have them folded in half, I'm going to open them up. We're going to take our glue stick, and we're going to glue these down. So you're only going to put glue on one half, and then we're going to fold it back over, glue that down, and glue the other one down. We're going to set those aside to dry. Now we're going to take the piece of paper and we're going to make what's called the flute, if you remember. And the flute is the corrugated part of the cardboard. So we're going to take it and fold it over to the line, flip it over, and we're going to continue this all the way down. You see how I'm flipping that over? And I'm taking it to the line, and keep going, keep going. And once we get this all the way down, then we're going to glue our piece of cardboard together. And that's going to give us a stronger piece of paper that we can actually use to build things out of. So this is just a simple way to show you how you can take a piece of material, and by modifying it, you can make it stronger so it works better for your project. So we get this all done. And once we have that down, we're going to leave it like that. Keep that folded over. Now we're going to take our glue stick while we still have it folded in half, and we're going to put glue on both of the long edges. Okay, so now we got that on there. Now we're going to take our first sheet of paper that we folded in half, and we're going to put glue on that. And then we're going to open this up, and there's our flute. Now we're going to take that, and we're going to stick that to our first piece. We're going to take their second piece, we're going to put that on top, and then we're going to press down. Now once that dries, what you're going to end up with is your piece of cardboard. And as you can see, this piece is pretty solid compared to our regular paper. If you take our regular paper, if I hold it in the middle, it bends over. So now we've strengthened this to double what it is from its original source. Thank you, and we'll see you in the shop.